Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to create an Epic Games account. Now it's a very easy process. So what you will do is just simply open any browser. So in this case I'm going to use Google Chrome. Now over here just simply search for Epic Games. Now open the first link over here. Now in the profile simply click on this profile icon over here. Now you will be at the sign up page. Now over here you will have few options by using which you can sign up. Now you can add the direct email address if you want to, or if you want you can just simply link with any existing platform out there. So if you want to link with a Google account, go with that. Facebook, PlayStation, Nintendo, Apple, you will have all the options. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to link with a Google account. So click on the Google option over here. Now over here just simply choose the Google account that you want to link. Now wait for a few seconds over here. Now after that it will show you your email address over here and the account name at the top. All you have to do is click on continue. Now enter your date of birth, month, year, then click on continue. Now enter a display name that you want, and after that just simply click on continue. Now it will send a verification code onto your email that you just used. So just simply go ahead and check the code. So as you can see right over here, I have got the code. Now click on it and copy the code and paste it right over here. Now click on verify email. Now wait for a few seconds, and just like that your account creation part is complete. Now you have successfully created your Epic Games account. If you click over here and go to account, you will find your all account details right over here. And now if you want to link any other platform with your Epic Games account, you can also do that in the app and account section. As you can see right over here, you can link a lot of accounts. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like, subscribe to our channel, and take care.